Again here.
Alright, Greg has got bad hiccups, and apparently peanut butter spoonful won't work, but we're going to do the inversion table and the peanut butter method, and we think it might work for him.
Yeah.
Alright.
Going all out here.
Alright. Actually, hold on, Greg. Let's take this bar out here so we go full force on the inversion.
I still got it in my mouth here.
Alright. Alright, slam the peanut butter. Let's go. Ready?
Yep. Alright, I slammed it.
Alright, he's still hiccuping. Alright, are you still hiccuping?
Not right now.
I mean, like...
I think I'm fucked, man.
Dude, this got to work. Like...
I think it did.
Dude, just like, hold your breath for
It hurts so bad. What the fuck is the dog doing?
It likes peanut
my
butter.
dog?
It likes peanut butter.
Hold my breath.
Alright. Oh, dude, you're fucked.